How do I view my full card number on Apple Pay?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss how you can view your full card number on Apple Pay. As a security measure, Apple Pay doesn't display your complete card number in the app, but you can still find this information through your issuing bank's app or website. Let's dive in.
Why can't I see my full card number in Apple Pay?
The primary reason why you cannot see your full card number in Apple Pay is to ensure your security and privacy. If anyone gets access to your phone, they can't easily see your full card number. However, you can still retrieve it by following some simple steps.
Viewing your physical card information.
The easiest method to find your full card number is through the physical credit or debit card that you linked with Apple Pay. 1. Locate your physical card. 2. Your full card number will be printed on the front of your card. Remember, keep this information secure.
Accessing your card number through your bank's app or website.
If you don't have your physical card handy, you can also retrieve your full card number via your bank's mobile app or website. 1. Sign in to your bank's mobile app or website. 2. Navigate to the section containing your credit or debit card information. 3. Here, you should be able to find and view your full card number. Please note, the process might vary slightly depending on your bank.
Calling your bank for card information.
As a last resort, if you cannot find your full card number on your bank's app or website, you can always call your bank's customer service. 1. Find your bank's customer service number. It is typically printed on the back of your card. 2. Call them, verify your identity, and request your card information. They should be able to provide you with the necessary details. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to find your full card number when using Apple Pay. It's always important to keep your card information safe and secure. Stay tuned for more helpful videos like this one, and take care.